Hello everyone and welcome to day 5 of 100. Today I'm going to be defining AI for SEO. And as some of you may be aware, I actually have a full program, masterclass program, how to learn AI for SEO, which you can go and find out more on my website, jasonpitter.com. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be talking about artificial intelligence, the role it plays in SEO, and what businesses and organizations should really understand at a high level as to what applications you might say AI can play in the SEO landscape. Now, I created this kind of content cluster for this 100 video challenge, which is really glossary and definition, because there are so many terminology differentiators in SEO and marketing. Sometimes it just helps to have like a glossary or definition. So for today, we're going to be defining AI for SEO. So really, artificial intelligence in the context of SEO, it really refers to any technology or tool that to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, decision making, and problem solving. And how I generally categorize AI in SEO is totally unsupervised AI, supervised AI, and partially supervised AI. And generally that categorization goes along with, you might say, the quality of the results and what you can expect from the technology or from the AI. Now, AI does have a massive impact on SEO, and it has changed so many things, not just, you might say, search engines and how these new search engines that are appearing, with such as AI Overview or Search GPT or even Chat GPT or other search engines that really use automated AI responses to queries, and you might say putting them above organic search results. So beyond that, AI actually really helps the processes, you might say, in the back end of SEO. Now, what process am I really referring to? Well, one of the big parts of SEO processes that AI can help with is analysis of data and drawing conclusions on the data to build better decision making. So in SEO, you have to make a lot of decisions based on the market you're in, based on the type of content you want to create, your website, you might say the audience that you're going after, the analysis of the search terms that you want to rank for. And all of these decisions, unfortunately, have one thing in common: a lot of research and a lot of data. Now, this is where artificial intelligence can really speed this up, so your SEO processes can be accelerated and you can ultimately deliver value faster to your SEO roadmap, to your SEO strategy, and obviously improve ultimately your goal of achieving more organic visibility. Now, when people think about AI for SEO, they seem to just define it by, use AI to create content, but there is so much more to it. And as I said before, keyword research, audience research, target website research, competitor analysis, all of these things AI can really help with. Now, I would say some of the bad use cases of AI for the sake of this video is when people use AI without supervision. And as I said at the beginning, there are kind of 3 categories or use cases of AI for SEO, and the non-supervised or partially supervised AI use case for SEO generally ends in disaster. You might ask me the question, why? Well, the short answer is the uniqueness of your business means that you have to give the AI multiple data points and references for it to really create you might say an output that is aligned with, you might say, your voice and where you want to go as an organization and your website. And this generally leads to gibberish content, bad quality content, ultimately just a really bad situation where the content you create doesn't rank, and obviously people who are reading it realize it's been created by AI, they feel it's generic, and then this generally leads to a loss in rankings, not to mention that search engines can interpret AI content. And this is what happens when people just use AI unsupervised without a framework, and ultimately the outcome is pretty bad. So artificial intelligence can be leveraged for SEO in ridiculously powerful ways, but unfortunately the majority of the use cases today are the not so good ones. Content that is created generically without supervision or without monitoring, content that is created and published and then republished and then repurposed. It just exponentially gets worse as you you might say reiterate on something that was originally created by AI, and then you try to repurpose it. And unfortunately, that's one of the biggest AI use cases at the moment for SEO content. And this is really why I put this program together, Learn AI for SEO, is that it really teaches the complete opposite. It's important that we understand AI is here to stay. It has a profound impact. It can transform our SEO, but you have to understand the use case and the framework so AI can be used in a safe way for your website, for your business, for your content, and really assist you with automating those repetitive SEO tasks. But it shouldn't detract from the value that you bring to the market, the uniqueness, the authenticity, and most importantly, the alignment that you have, the sensitivity to your buyer persona, to the channels that you currently operate in or work in, and most importantly, your voice and your narrative and your brand. So this is day 5 of 100. I hope I've helped define a little bit the application of AI in SEO. I mean, we could talk about this. It's obviously a really, really long conversation. We can talk about backlinks, domain authority, technical observations, technical analysis of using AI for SEO. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to kind of high level talk about some of the issues with AI when applied to SEO and what most people are doing, unfortunately, and why it doesn't really end up in a good place. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. And again, this is my challenge to create 100 videos about SEO before the end of 2024. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you.